Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanushri and I'm back with another vlogmas. Today is vlogmas 6. Yes, so I'm enjoying by exploring new places, eating new food, and also shopping a lot for this Christmas. Yes, and so today I'm back with vlogmas 6, in which we are going to see the West African currency. I'm going to explain the currency here that we use, which is West African CFA francs. Yes, and I will also be explaining you the variations of this currency from Indian rupees. Yes, from the Indian currency. So this West African CFA is basically used in 8 countries here. Yes, the same currency is used in 8 countries. So I'm going to show you all the coins and notes that I have right now, and the ones that I don't have, I will just show you the picture of it. So currently I have almost all the coins and notes except one, I guess, and this one I will be just showing you the photo. Before I start explaining you the whole currency thing, I just wanted to tell you that if you are new to this channel, I am Tanushri. I live in Abidjan, which is in the west part of Africa, and I share videos on travel, music, lifestyle, and also some videos on parenting tips. So right now these days I am mainly focusing on the video on life in Abidjan. Everything in Abidjan I'm showing to you guys, because recently I noticed that people are really searching and looking for a lot of information before traveling to Abidjan, and I think I can help them by sharing my knowledge and my experience. So this one is the 5 franc. We call it as 5 franc. There is 1 franc as well, but it is not in use right now, and I think you will get to see it in bank transactions. So banks normally still use 1 franc just for the smaller denominations deductions, but normally 5 franc, it starts from 5 francs here, smallest coin that we have here, and you can see that this one has a fish symbol. So all the coins have this similar fish symbols, so that's the front side of 5 francs, and this one is the back side of 5 francs. This is the smallest coin. I did not have the coin of 10 francs, so I'm just showing you the picture of it. So this one is the 10 franc coin. Okay, it also has a similar fish symbol. And so this one is the 25 franc. This one also has a fish symbol in it, and this is the back side of the coin. Looks like this. Next we have this 50 franc. This 50 franc, it is like commonly used here. If you will go to a supermarket or to a vegetable market, you will very easily find this change, because every time you buy things in the supermarket or in a vegetable market especially, this one will be very useful for you if you're going to a vegetable market. So this one is a 50 franc, and it is very, I will also tell you guys at the end of the video on how to pronounce all these currency in French. So this one is the 100 franc. This one is the front side, and this one is the back side of it, and it is also commonly used. So this one is 200 franc, and this one is the front side of it, and this one is the back side of it. So you can see all the coins here except 10 franc that I do not have right now. So yes, let me tell you how to pronounce this in French. So this one in French is 5 francs, that is 5 franc. This one in French is 25 francs, that is 25 franc. This one in French is 50 francs, that is 50 franc. This one in French is 100 francs, that is 100 franc. And this one in French is 200 francs, that is 200 franc. And I don't have 10 franc, which is the franc. So yes, this is how you pronounce all these coins. And let's see the notes now. So this one is the note of 500 franc CFA, and you can see there's a code A. This code A is for Côte d'Ivoire. So as I was saying that the same currency is used in 8 countries here in Africa, but it is differed by the code here, the letters. So every franc CFA for each country has a different letter in it. I'm going to tell you at the end of the video which letter is for which country, but for now this one is the front side of 500 CFA and this one is the back side of 500 CFA. And you will see the coins as well of 500. So there are coins and there are notes, both that you will see here. And in French, 500 is called as 500. So this one is 500 franc. So that's the 1000 franc front side, and that's the back side. It has a camel on the back side. This one is 2000 franc. So you can see the same letter A here, and in French you pronounce it as 2000 francs. This one is the back side of it. Next we have 5000 franc front side. This is the front side and this one is the back side. And this one in French is 5000 francs. So yes, this one is 5000 francs in French. So this one is the highest note that they have, that is 10,000 francs, and in French it is called as 10,000 francs. So this one is the highest note that they have here. That's the back side of it. So you can see all the back side have different pictures. Let me show you the other note. Like in 500 you will see something else. In 5000 again you will see different pictures. So all the notes at the back side have different pictures. So as I was saying that the letter is the only thing that differs. Other than that, everything remains the same in all the countries, all the 8 countries. So the letter A is for Côte d'Ivoire. If you see the letter B, it is for Benin. C is for Burkina Faso. H is for Niger. K is for Senegal. M is for Mali. S is for Guinea-Bissau, and T is for Togo. So this letter is the only thing that changes, otherwise it remains the same. So guys, this is it for today's video. I've explained all the notes and coins that I had to let you know which currency is used here in West Africa. And so yes guys, I also wanted to tell you the variation of this currency with Indian rupees. So 1 Indian rupees is approximately 7.33 West African CFA, that is around 8 West African CFA. So that means 1000 CFA, I'm taking an average, 1000 CFA is approximately 136 Indian rupees. And yes, it changes every day, but also accordingly the cost of living here is different as well. It is comparatively 200% higher. So yes, the cost of living is definitely higher here. So I will also try to do a detailed video on cost of living in Abidjan, which will be later. I've already shared 5 vlogmas, and this one is the 6th one, and I hope you have watched all my vlogmas. If not, please go back and watch it. And so I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell on, because when you do that you get notified on all my upcoming videos. Also my Christmas tree, I've set the light up, so I did it and I think it looks very beautiful, and that's why I decided to put this as my background as I'm doing vlogmas. So yes, I will see you guys very soon with my next vlogmas. Till then, take care, bye bye.